Your audience is a person, not a demographic. Welcome to another lesson, and we'll be talking more about our audience. This one actually is one of the things na talagang nahihirapan ako kasi ilang beses na akong nag-change ng target audience ko. But for now, as someone who's trying to grow as a content creator, yung audience ko kasi is someone who wants to become a creator but keeps overthinking everything. Hindi sila confident enough to post and they think na kailangan nila ng bagong equipment, ng better equipment, or kailangan muna nilang mag-aral or kailangan meron silang knowledge first before they start posting or creating content. Basically, ako yung target audience ko. Pero ngayon kasi yung goal ko is makapag-reach ng mga taong kagaya ko na gusto nilang mag-start sa content creation pero hindi nila alam kung saan sila magsisimula. So now, I'm not actually trying to teach from lens na talagang expert na, but I'm trying to grow with them and learn with them. So basically, kapag mag-iisip tayo ng target audience natin as a content creator, we need to be really specific. Kagaya nung sample ko, kailangan nating isipin kung ano ba yung mga tao or sino yung mga gusto nating ma-target, ano yung mga iniisip nila, ano yung mga questions nila, yung mga tumatakbo palagi sa isip nila. Kasi yun yung makakatulong for us to come up with content ideas na talagang endless, unlimited na content ideas na pwede nating gawa ng content dito sa ating mga social media pages. So, yun lang muna for today's lesson. And sa next lesson naman is we'll be talking about the 5 layers sa audience understanding. If you want to learn that lesson, follow for more.